Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this week we're going to use PowerPoint to create some GIFs. I've opened up PowerPoint and for this example I'm going to use animated 3D models as the focal point of my GIF. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format, which is why I pronounce it GIF, not GIF, because it's not graphics. In an empty slide I can delete the placeholders by selecting the borders so that they become solid lines and then pressing delete. Then select Insert in the ribbon tabs and then select 3D models. PowerPoint brings up a pop-up that shows all of the 3D models that I have access to. Some work accounts won't allow you to view the full range of 3D models, so this is dependent on what you have access to. If you do have this option, select All Animated Models and choose any model that you like and click Insert. When your model's been inserted, there'll be resize points to change the size of the model, a 2D rotation tool at the top, and a rotate tool in the centre of the image to change the 3D rotation. Resize your model to the desired size, and then click and hold the 3D rotation tool with your mouse and adjust the angle until you're happy with it. In the Play 3D section of the 3D Model temporary ribbon, there's an option called Scenes. Depending on the model chosen, there may be multiple scenes to choose from, so select the one that you like. Once you're happy with your 3D model, we can now export this slideshow as a GIF. Click on File and navigate to Export, and then select Create an Animated GIF. Here we can choose the file size, decide how long to spend on each slide, which specific slides to export, as well as a tick box option that allows you to make the background transparent. Select that tick box. When you're done, click Create GIF, name it, and then click Save. Now you've successfully exported your GIF. You can attach this onto most chats, documents, other slideshows, or even in your videos, like this.